guys, I just landed here in Orlando today and just checked into Terra Luna. I am so excited to be here. We're gonna be here for Epic's 1-year anniversary. So come along. Tyler is actually getting here tomorrow. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna show you Terra Luna, I'm gonna show you the property, and yeah. And then we're gonna go to Universal and party for a little bit. So come along, let's go. Okay, for your official Terra Luna review, we're gonna start with the bathroom. So this is what it looks like. It's so clean and beautiful. And our cute little branded shampoo and conditioner. We also got a little bath soap over here. And then you've got your towels up here. So for those that are wondering, here is your hair dryer. We've got facial soap, a couple of cups, and a full-size mirror over here that you can use when you're getting ready, which is perfect. Here's your closet. And it does have my little luggage thing here, which is perfect. Also a safe and an ironing board situation too, if you need to do that. The room, and this is actually one of my favorite hotel rooms ever. We were here when they opened last year and I loved it so much I just had to come back here. But we've got some coffee, which is great. And then over here, we've got all of, our important information. In-room pizza delivery, 10 out of 10. Pizza to go. This is coming home with me. And then our little phone and the rundown for your stay. So lots of great information here. And this is it. This is where I will be working today and tomorrow. And then we got a 2-queen bedroom, which I really like. This little, kind of looks like a mushroom, but I know it's not a mushroom. So cute. But yeah, lots of outlets, which is perfect. We love that. Guys, I am so excited. We got a pool view this time. And it's so pretty. Look at that. One more thing too about Terra Luna, you guys, that I forgot is that housekeeping, they come every other day. So just, plan for that. This is our room. So pretty. I love the views here. And again, so stoked to be here for Epic. And if you guys are in the parks, come say hello. But this is it. This is my official review. Everything is 10 out of 10. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye.